In this video, I'm going to show you how to download EvoFox Ronin software. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to click on the search box up top right, and then here you want to type in Ronin, and there we go, it's going to pop up the products. They do have the wired and then the wireless keyboard, so you have to select the one you actually have. For example, I'm going to go with the wireless right now. You want to click on it, and then here on the page for that specific keyboard, you want to scroll down, and then here towards the bottom, you'll see there's going to be the end of pictures, and then there's going to be a bunch of frequently asked questions. There we go, and specifications, stuff like that. And then below this, it's going to say important links, and then here it's going to say software. So where it says software, just click on this software link over here, and what's going to happen is it's basically going to take you to this website here, where you have to basically allow browser access. And when you do that, it's going to basically allow you to just essentially connect your mouse. Okay, so you can In this video, I'm going to show you how to download EvoFox Ronin software. Now, the first thing you want to do on their official website, you want to go to the top right, click on the search box, and type in Ronin. When you do that, two products will pop up. The first one is wired, and the second one is the wireless keyboard. Select the one that's relevant for you. I'm going to click on the wireless one over here. And when you do that, it's going to open up the product page. You want to scroll down, and then below all these images, and then below the specifications, and also the frequently asked questions, you'll see it's going to say important links, and then over here you have the software, and there's a download button. Now, click on the download button. However, when you do that, it's not going to directly download it. The first thing that's going to happen here is going to take you to a separate tab where you basically have to click on allow browser access, click on that, and then it's going to basically find your compatible devices. So if you don't have your Ronin keyboard connected to your computer yet via wireless or of course cable connection, do that right now, and then you should be able to go ahead and basically see it over here on the list. And when you do that, you'll then be able to select it, and then from there you'll see your options for downloads of your basic software for your keyboard, for the specific keyboard you selected. Okay, so it should pop up over here once you connect. I don't have my keyboard with me right now, so I can't show you, but you'll be able to see it here on the screen, and it should be pretty self-explanatory. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.